Hi, let's have a look at how we're going to solve this factorization question. This is from the 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper, question 8. Alright, so in this question, we have a quadratic expression. So one of the methods we can try is to use the cross method or box method. Okay, so I'm going to show you the cross method approach. So in the cross method approach, basically the first term here, which is the square term, we want to get that as the result of the first column. So I want to have a 3p square over here. So to get 3p square, the only possible option is 3p multiplied by p. So that will give me 3p square. Now, for this second column over here, I am actually focused on the constant, which is 10. So we have a negative 10 there. We will come to that in a while. So I want to get a 10 here. To get a 10, I can have a few different combinations: 10 times 1 or 2 times 5. Right? So, so in some cases you need to trial and error, or of course with practice, sometimes just by observation of the numbers you can make a quick guess which can be correct. Alright, so let's have a try. So for 10, I'm going to try and put 5 here and 2 over here. So 5 times 2 will give me 10. Okay, so I want a negative 10, but we'll come to that. Now I need to do the cross multiplication here. So p times 5, I'll get 5p. 3p times 2, I'll get 6p. So what I want over here is positive p, which is the middle term here. Now to get positive p, I must take 6 minus 5. So I have positive 6p and negative 5p. That will give me a positive p in the end. So in order to get a negative 5p over here, one of this term here, 5, must be a negative. So negative times positive will give me a negative 10. So you can see 3p times positive 2 gives me positive 6p, and p times negative 5 gives me negative 5p. Alright, so with this we can confirm that we have all the terms according to the expression over here. So we can now write the factored form, which is 3p minus 5 and p plus 2 equals to 0. Alright, so to solve it, we just need to do one more step. We need to equate each of them to 0 and get the value of p. So this is 3p equals to 5, so p is equals to 5 over 3. And on the other side, I have p plus 2 equals to 0, so p is equals to minus 2. Alright, so these are the answers for p in this factorization question. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.